Hello and welcome to the Skynet Studios. This is Abu. As you guys are aware, we have different programs every day. So today we are going to put the focus of the universe again. As you guys are aware, we had many different episodes. This is episode 15. So again, when we are saying the universe, it's a broad, it's a big, very big topic that we are going to focus. So I'm gonna take few today, and probably it's gonna continue throughout our programming. So one thing we need to remember that we all live in a mystery and it's called the universe. We can measure it, analyze it, observe it, at the same time explore it. But the question we have is what is the universe? When did it begin? How did it begin? And how it might end? Those are some of the questions we are going to look into our video. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead and get started our program today. Thank you.
The pillars of creation are one of the most iconic astronomical images captured by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995. These towering structures are located in the Eagle Nebula, about 6,500 to 7,000 light years away from Earth in its constellation Saphenous. The pillars are composed of cool molecular hydrogen and dust, and they act as incubators for new stars. The ultraviolet light from the nearby young stars is slowly eroding these pillars, creating a stunning visual effect. The image has been recaptured multiple times, including by the James Webb Space Telescope in 2022, providing even much more detailed views of our universe. The Big Bang theory is described how the universe expanded from an initial state of high density and temperature. The notion of the expanding universe was first scientifically originated by physicist Alexander Friedmann in 1922 with the mathematical derivation of the Friedmann equation. The Eagle Nebula is part of diffuse emission nebula. This region of the active current star formation is about 5,700 light years distance. A sphere of gas that can be seen coming off the nebula in the northeastern part is approximately 9.5 light years or about 90 trillion kilometers long. The cluster associated with the nebula has approximately 8,100 stars, which are mostly concentrated in the gap in the molecular clouds to the northwest of the pillars. The Capwheel Galaxy, also known as ESO 350-4d, is a lenticular ring galaxy about 500 million light years away into the constellation Sculptor. Spiral galaxies form a class of galaxy originated described by Edward Hubble in 1936 work, The Realm of the Nebulae, and as such form part of the Hubble sequences. Most spiral galaxies consist of flat, rotating disks containing stars, gas, and dust, and a central concentration of stars known as the bulge. These are often surrounded by much fainter halo of stars, many of which reside in globular clusters. Spiral galaxies are named by their spiral structures that extend from the center into the galactic disk. The spiral arms are sites of ongoing star formation and brighter than surrounding disk because of the young, hot stars that inhabit them. The Tadpole Galaxy, also known as UGC 10214 and ARP 188, is a disrupted barred spiral galaxy located 420 million light years from Earth in the northern constellation Draco. In its most dramatic feature is a trail of stars about 280,000 light years long. Its size has been attributed to merger with the smaller galaxy that is believed to have occurred about 100 million years ago. The antennae galaxies also contain a relatively young collecting of massive globular clusters that were possibly formed as a result of collision between the two galaxies. The young age of these clusters is in contrast with the average age of most known globular clusters, which are about 12 billion years old, with the formation of the globular likely originating from shock waves generated by the collision of the galaxies, comprising large, massive molecular clouds. The densest region of the collapsing and compressing clouds are believed to be the birthplace of the clusters. Supernova is a powerful and luminous explosion of a star. A supernova occurs during the last evolutionary stage of the massive star, or when a white dwarf is triggered into the runaway nuclear fusion. The original object, called the progenitor, either collapses to the neutron's star or black hole, or is completely destroyed to form diffuse nebula. The peak optic luminosity of the supernova can be comparable to that of an entire galaxy before fading over several weeks or months. The Milky Way is the galaxies that include in the solar system with the name describing the galaxy's appearance from Earth. A hazy band of light seen in the night sky formed from stars that cannot be individually distinguished by the naked eye. The spiral galaxy. The Milky Way has several smaller galaxies gravitationally bound to it as part of the Milky Way subgroup, which is part of the local galaxy cluster, the local group. There are 61 smaller galaxies confirmed to be 420 kiloparsecs, 1.4 million light years of the Milky Way, but not all of them necessarily in orbit. And some may themselves be in orbit of other satellites. The only ones visible to the naked eye are the large and small Magellanic clouds, which have been observed since prehistory. Measurements with the Hubble Space Telescope in 2006 suggest that the Magellanic clouds may be moving too fast to be orbiting the Milky Way. The Sombrero Galaxy, also designated as M104 or NGC 4594, is a rectangular galaxy situated between the borders of the Virgo and the Corvus constellation. Sombrero Galaxy is located around 31.1 million light years from the solar system. The galaxy has a diameter of 49,000 light years, which is 30% of the size of the Milky Way and galaxy. Remember,
Welcome back again. So that's one of the program we intend to guys today. So probably keep looking and keep watching because when we say the universe is very large, so one day at a time we'll take a small amount of the pieces that we need to put together. That way you know what we're talking about. Today we cover some of the part you can see on the screen. Pillars of the Creation, the Big Bang, Eagle Nebula, Galaxy, Spiral Galaxy, Tadpole Galaxy, and also Supernova, the Milky Way, and Sombrero Galaxy. Those are some of the stuff we just mentioned in this video today. But probably we'll bring some more, so we're going to touch each of them. Today it was just in general, we're just going over each one, but we'll go into details each and every one in the next episodes. Those are coming, so stay tuned and always get connected. That way you can get the videos that we post every day. Remember, here at the Skynet we bring different programs, especially news, entertainment, health, travel, science, community engagement, and other programs. So stay connected. Again, thank you very much for listening today.